All right, so when you lock them, it's just as simple as pressing down. That's off, pushing down is on. And it just presses against the wheel, which locks them in place. So the nice curve in the bars basically hold the wheels into place, nice and tucked into the mount. All right, they come pre-assembled, which is very nice. There's a couple of zip ties, and you are ready to use them. We're going to be using these on my, oh my gosh, those things are super heavy duty. I mean, that is crazy weight on each one of those. And it's nice that they do stack, so if you want to keep them in a corner or something like that, you can do that. You have two wheels that have a locking chuck on it. So you can lock the wheel so that they don't move. One there and one there. And I'm going to be putting this on my truck here so that we can move it around. The transmission went on it, so I'm going to be pushing it back and forth. I'm going to go grab my jack so that we can get these up and get these the wheels underneath them. All right. Okay, so I'm just trying to show you that even with just me pushing it, you can see that I can push the truck in the, back and forth. I have the front ones locked. What I'll do is I'll hook up my tractor and pull this around now that I have it. I mean, you're still pushing around the weight of the truck. So take that into effect whenever you're using them, but super heavy duty, and this is a heavy truck, so if you need something that can move around a lot of weight, check them out.